guys, Rachel here, coming to you from the GamerU studios in Las Vegas with another segment in our beginner series of sports betting videos that you need to know before heading to the betting window. In this segment, we're going to talk about the Martingale System. The Martingale System is when a bettor keeps betting on the same team and outcome until it becomes a winner. For instance, you bet on the same NFL team every week on the spread until they cover. This means if you bet the standard $110 to win $100 and you lose, then you would have to bet enough to potentially win $210 in week 2, which would be at $231 to account for the VIG of minus 110. The advantage of this strategy is that eventually you will be a winner and make a profit, unless of course a team never covers a spread. However, the main disadvantage of this strategy is the large bankroll it requires if the team you pick goes on a long losing streak. For more videos on sports betting, poker, and other games and more, including our sports betting IQ test, check out GamerU.com.